the UV Super Nova. So these charging stations come in two formats. One is the Super Nova, which you see behind me, which is a 6 kilowatt charger, and then is the Super Nova Plus, which is a 12 kilowatt hour charger. Coming back to these chargers, so these chargers are capable of charging the Ultraviolette's battery from 20 to 80% in 60 minutes. And these are pretty quick when compared to the already added large battery and the range the Ultraviolette offers. So this is during phase 1, and by the end of phase 1, which Ultraviolette aims to set up close to 100 chargers across the country in a few months. Currently, Ultraviolette has 10 chargers set up throughout the country in different parts of the country, and these numbers are expected to go up soon. Also, so for those wondering how to access the charger, so all you need to do is download the Ultraviolette app on your mobile phone, and this gives you access to the number of chargers and which is the closest charger around. So you can just point to the charger, hit on the navigate button, and this would take you straight to the charger. So this particular app, along with helping you find the closest charger, also helps you pay. You can pay for the charger through the app itself. All you have to do is scan the QR code at the charging station. So once you're able to locate the charger via the smartphone app, all you have to do is ride up to the charger, scan the QR code, and you're good to go. So as you can see behind me, so these chargers are basically designed to cut off at 80%. So when the motorcycle is charging, you get the blue lights as you see from the charger behind me, and when it's fully charged, it turns green. And next, the other feature from the mobile app is you can select the region modes of the motorcycle via the smartphone, where you can turn off the switch between the ABS modes as well. So these are some new features that Ultraviolette has rolled out. So all the Ultraviolette's mobile application, apart from locating the charger and navigating to it, you can also choose between the region modes and choose between the ABS modes, which can all be done by the mobile app now itself. So Bangalore has various charging stations, and we're here en route to Nandi Hills. At the base of Nandi Hills, it's called Silver Oak Cafe, where Ultraviolette has got their 6 kilowatt charger installed. And so for those riders who ride to Nandi Hills often, so this is at the base of Nandi Hills. It's called the Silver Oak Cafe. So what riders can do is literally pull in, plug their motorcycles, put it on charge, go and grab a breakfast or get something to refresh themselves, and come back and the motorcycle is ready to go. So our review of the Ultraviolette F77 is already live on our YouTube channel and so on the Express Drives website as well. So for more news and more happenings in the automotive space, stay tuned to Express Drives. This is Raj again, and thank you.